Alrighty then, hello everybody, it's me, Hunter, and here I'm back at it again with another ceiling fan video. So yeah, anyways, my parents have left the house again, and I just decided that I want to make another ceiling fan video, because I actually just found out that we have this stove right here that has a fan in it, see? So I'm going to run, it's not National Ceiling Fan Day, I'm still going to consider this a National Ceiling Fan Day, I just didn't realize it until the video, but we're going to be running every single ceiling fan in the entire house again, but every single ceiling fan running in the house. All the ceiling fans, especially the ones that aren't even used, but anyways, let's get started. So we're going to start with the Coastal Creek, because I still want to figure out a situation of why it's acting like so weird lately. I think I might have just broken it, but here. Anyways, let's get started. And also today, there were some extra boards. Here, let me just show you real quick. There were some boards, like when we got that new TV stand put in, we actually had some boards that were inside it. I could show you what they, I don't know, I don't have pictures or of anything, but I actually put some extra panels in the, here, see? See how it was all black in there? It used to be hollow? I actually installed, I was going to make a video. I actually installed all of those, the panels right there, see? See, yeah, it's back panels. I installed that myself, so. And I fished through the Xbox, because that's the only electronic that we hook up anyways. Still, won't have enough room to put other stuff on it, and I was thinking to maybe just move, they really need to put this table right here, in the middle of the room. And maybe that could be a table that I can use for roaming, except I put one of those little sticky things, those little things you put on stairs, so if you have like muddy shoes, they don't damage you, they don't like screw up the chair. I can put those on the side and they have like adhesive all over it. It's not on the extra leaf, but it's on the other one, so it's on the other ones, other sides. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, looks like it's low, right? Let's figure this out. So here we go. Wait, is this off? No, it's low. Okay, there we go. But I don't know what the... I don't know, it's just... Alright, but... Oh, let's check something real quick. Here. This is very confusing, but... It's because it's moving a lot slower than it used to. Okay, this is high, because it looks like it's inconsistent. It looks like it has 4 speeds, actually, but... Okay, that's off. Alright. This looks like I think this is good. I can't tell if that's low or not, but we'll see. There we go. I don't know what the hell happened to that ceiling fan. It's never been like that before. And I was actually gonna make a video yesterday, but I didn't do it. I know it's not national. I just want to do this. I want to do this video. So okay, now let's go do the master bathroom. There's Victorian Harbor. Now let's do the master bathroom. There we go. I still haven't made any videos on the bathroom fans yet, but I will do it. Yeah. We're just gonna do the downstairs bathroom fans, so here we go. Because usually that's what I do when my parents take a shower or take a bath or whatever. They take showers, so like they're older than me. It's like they're old enough to where they don't take baths anymore, but they usually, if they use the bathroom or take a shower, they usually turn on both fans. Mostly Dad does that, but alright, there's the Delano. There's the here we go. Let's put it on low. Here we go. Okay, so there's the Napoli. There's the Delano. There's the Victorian Harbor. There's Victorian Harbor. There's the Coastal Creek. There's the bathroom fan. And here's the other bathroom fan. And then there I am. Here. See, there we go. And now let's go do upstairs. Because besides that, those are the only ceiling fans in the downstairs. Or fans in the downstairs. Oh, wait. We'll do it. We'll do it later. Okay, now let's do the Belhaven. Let's do the Linden first. Okay, there's low. Obviously, this one's broken. The capacitor's broken, so we're just stuck in a high. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. It has a very slow row speed because it has such a big capacitor inside of it. See it? There we go. It's got to be the slowest fan in the entire house. Then you can hear the bathroom fans. See? There's the Cobra Elite. Okay, there's low. Okay, there's that one. Because also one of the bulbs was actually messed, like the bulbs were actually unscrewed from it. So there they go. There's the Linden, both Cobra. Here, let's open this all the way. Both Cobra Elites. There's that one. And there they go. Alright. Now let's do medium. Well, what's that you do? Sorry, I'm kind of rushing. I'm not rushing on this video, but I don't know. Because I think we should also do those bathroom fans. This bathroom fan and that one over there, but I want to wait to do that. There's Belhaven. Okay, hold on. It's already been 7 minutes, damn. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. Alright. So there they go. Now it's cranking on to medium. Since we're already up here, we might as well just do this. Because medium on the Belhavens don't really, it's the medium and high speed are basically the same thing. There's really no change. Okay, there we go. Hello? There we go. Alright, there we go. Now let's do... Well, the bathroom fans only have one speed. That's it. And I don't know. I'm not really good with the bathroom fans. So now let's do this one in here. It's no bathroom fan in the, What's that? I think it's already on medium, so. Alright, and then. Okay, wait. What is up with this damn pull chain? Seriously. The light one's okay, because the light one's not even used that much. We don't use these much, but... Okay, I think that's off. Okay, I don't know what speed that is, but... Okay. Okay, I guess this is medium, I guess. There they go. And there's that one. Okay, now let's crank it to high speed. And then we'll do reverse. There we go. I used to keep it on high speed. I don't know why, but there they go. There we go. Keep saying there we go a lot. And let's crank this one on to high. Let's see if maybe there's a fan on here. Well, I'm not touching it, but... Trying to figure something out real quick. I think I just heard some papers knocked over or something like that, but that's fine. I was just trying to see, because I know there's a fan also on the, I know there's a fan also on the microwave and oven. Defective microwave oven. It's not defective, it's just a freaking chicken foot fucking joke. There we go. We don't need to mess with that one because it's already on high, so. There's that one. There we go. Yeah, like seriously, these are great. These are amazing freaking air movers. I love these. I know people say that these ceiling fans are bad, but I don't care. I think they're okay. What's going... I don't know. I can't tell. And then here's this bathroom right here. There's no bathroom fans in here. There's the light. There's the flush panel light. Or the Q light. Because that was the section it was when we were at Lowe's. What was that? It just felt like water drip or something like that. Weird. And now let's do reverse. Let's do reverse. Oh. Ooh. Alright, and then... Alright, and then let's do this one. I don't have the chair on me anymore, so... And it's the desk fan. There's a reverse speed of yeah, there's no reverse speed in an oven fan or the bathroom fans or anything like that. And no reverse on the desk fans. I don't think any of the other fans are reversible. Just really wish you didn't have to. Oh. Alright, there's that one. Oh, jeez. I shouldn't have them that high. It's just the shade doing that. I'll help it a little bit. Now it's making like a wishing, like a. Hey, you can literally hear that all over here, and it's kind of crooked a little bit, but that's fun. Now let's do the reverse on the other ceiling fans. So you haven't even touched these in a while, so. Oh, there's no reverse on here. This one's not reversible. Let's see, maybe it is. Basically, just the Holly is the only reversible one. Because I don't know if that Coastal Creek's reversible. Okay, there we go. Probably not the right speed, but let's see. And let's open this blind right here. There we go, much better. Now let's go do the upstairs ceiling fans. Yeah, you can literally hear that Cobra Elite from up here. Sorry, I'm mostly showing the ground. I'm not even showing much of the ceiling fans though, but. There we go. There we go, and alright, and then medium. And then maybe I'll show them with the light. I'll show them with the light as well. So here, let's do that now. That one's already on. This one's not. Alright, this one's already on medium. Once again, medium and high are basically the same thing, but see, there we go. There's all the lights now. Look at how bright this light is. Seriously, look at that. Look at how powerful that is. Seriously, these are pretty damn good ceiling fans, especially for the time. I was thinking also we may need to move that chair over there into that room because that's what we did with the old one. See, look at that. Look how bright that is. And there's the other one. You can maneuver it. Obviously, it's spotlights or track lighting. Okay, now let's do low. Not gonna touch that one, but yeah, it kind of looks really nice with the light on. There we go. Alright, now let's go do the downstairs one, so. Remember, that one has a back capacitor, as I said, so. There we go. And you can hear like rattling because I'm stomping throughout the house, but. Now we can turn that stove fan on low. Oven. Yeah, fan, see? Now let's do both lights. Can't even tell. Another one's on. Yeah, it's weird. If I turn this one on, that one turns off. But then I never turn that one on, this one turns off. But we don't need the lights, though. See? Yeah, see, look. That one's off, but then that one's on. Both of the lights are on, actually. Alright. I think it maybe just depends on the up light, if the up light's on or something like that. Okay, here's this one. And this one's not reversible, so. And there we go. Alright, now let's turn them, and then let me show the light on this. Once again, one of the bulbs is burnt out, so. Let me just wait for this one to. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn off the bathroom fans now. I just want to show that flashlight light, that Allen Roth light. So that one's already about to spin down already. I'm still thinking of maybe doing that thing where I rig up the entire house with ceiling with cameras and then show you the ceiling bands each by each, but tried doing that on 4th of July, but it was just way too crazy. Okay, there's the downstairs ones, and then we just gotta turn off the oven hand. It's weird how it's high, medium, low instead of low, medium, high. It's not even like a 4-speed or anything like it. Obviously, things have been far improved since, but I mean, it's from 2009 or 2010 or 8, maybe that. It's when all the appliances, besides some things, we had to buy with our own money. I mean, let's reverse this. And we'll stop this one early, but let's just reverse it and then keep it going. And then we can turn off the mainstay. And then we can turn this one off. And then we can turn there we go. There we go. Alright, so here's all the ceiling fans. There's the Linden, Bell Havens, looks like those one, the Cobra Elites, and then maybe I'll show you the bathroom fan in here. That's the, but I'm not gonna turn it on. I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it in this video. I mean, we hardly ever, and I mean ever, go into that bathroom. It's just for, it was supposed to be another bedroom originally, but there's a bedroom in here, and then there's a bedroom there, so it's a bathroom instead. Plus, I think it's way too small to be a bedroom, but it's fine. Alright, and that one already stopped. The Linden stopped. That one's still going. This one stopped. Oh, this one's about to. I think, well, I mean, it's all because I turned them off at different times, but. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. That was actually pretty damn bad what I just did there. That was actually pretty damn voice cracking, but. Alright, I didn't turn them off with the. So, yeah. That was actually pretty damn weird that I just did there. But yeah, anyways, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the video tour, again, of all the ceiling fans, plus an oven fan, and some of the bathroom fans running through the entire video. All of the bathroom fans, minus the upstairs ones. It's basically like the last video. But, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and bye. Bye.